Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of hydraulic maintenance with a product that's making waves: the GK-01 Hydraulic Nitrogen Pressure Gauge Test Kit. This isn't just any old kit, folks. It's the best nitrogen charge kit for shocks available right now, and we're about to find out why. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what makes this kit stand out from the rest. First off, it's all about accuracy. With not one, not two, but three pressure gauges ranging from 0 to 100 bar, 1500 psi, 0 to 250 bar, 3600 psi, and 0 to 400 bar, 6000 psi, you can trust that you're getting precise readings every time. But it's not just about accuracy, it's also about versatility. This kit comes with 7 interchangeable adapters, including UNF and G sizes, making it compatible with most hydraulic accumulator nitrogen charging systems out there. Whether you're working with UNF 7/8 or M14*1.5, this kit has you covered. And let's not forget about durability. Constructed with corrosion-resistant gauges and sturdy steel adapters, this kit is built to last. Plus, with premium silicone oil for better shock resistance and accuracy, you can trust that it'll hold up under pressure. Now, what about convenience? Well, this kit comes neatly stored in a thickened plastic toolbox, making it easy to transport and store. And with a 5 feet long hose, you'll have no trouble reaching those hard-to-access areas. But perhaps the best part of all is the peace of mind that comes with it. With a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty for quality-related issues, you can purchase with confidence knowing that your satisfaction is guaranteed. So there you have it, folks. The GK-01 Hydraulic Nitrogen Pressure Gauge Test Kit. The best nitrogen charge kit for shocks on the market today. Don't just take my word for it. Try it out for yourself and experience the difference it can make in your hydraulic maintenance routine. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy wrenching!